Hey everybody, it's been a minute. I haven't been on here for quite a bit of time. I've been away from the office, been out traveling, doing some fishing and all sorts of different things. Well, we're not on location here. I'm actually in beautiful Lake of the Woods, Canada. This is the beautiful town of Kenora, one of my favorite places to be at. And we got Husky the Muskie right behind me here. So this is kind of the iconic big musky fish that's up on display. But what the heck am I doing here? Where have I been? What's going on? So I just wanted to have a little chat with you guys and kind of tell you what's been on my mind and kind of what I've been up to. So let's get into it. Jumping off the high one here now, so this will be fun. That's a big one. All right, so basically it's been a busy month for me over the last 3 weeks or so. The last truck video that I brought out to you guys was a beautiful flat glass, flat roof W900, and I've been radio silent for the last 3 weeks. So long story short, I've been away even the weeks prior to bringing that video to you. I've been away with clients doing fishing trips. I've been out on holidays. I was out in Vancouver for a family situation. And I'm out in Ontario right now actually doing a road tour, seeing some customers. So I've been kind of unplugged and out of the office for roughly 3 weeks or so. But I just wanted to show you some of the things that I'm into. Just love fishing, love just spending time relaxing and socializing with the different people around that I deal with. And we had a pile of fun. We caught a ton of fish. And just spending time with my family as well, catching a pile of fish and just sitting out on the lake and the beach and all that kind of stuff. Just living it up, work hard, play hard. So that's kind of all that we're here today to talk about. Just putting in the time where it matters, and putting in the time at work is important, but you also have to balance out putting in the time where it matters most. And selling one more truck or making one more dollar versus spending one more minute with your family. It's a constant struggle, a constant pull both directions. And I just want to say what I do, and I try and balance it out as best as I can. And the last 2 weeks, right now I'm technically working. I'm in Kenora, or camping, I'm with my family, but I'm working in the area. So I'm kind of pulling both together, and it's just the luxury of what I can do in my job. But it's important to be able to balance things out as best as you can, and it's different for everybody, because you can't get those minutes back with your family, whether you have kids or your spouse or your friends for that matter. But yeah, I just love spending that time with the family and with friends as well, as most people would. So that's basically it. I just wanted to encourage you to find that balance in your life. Summertime, it's always tough to stay connected, and honestly, it's been really tough for me to not go onto YouTube and not go onto social media to produce content for all of you guys that follow me, and I've been feeling pulled to want to do that, but it's been about 5 years of constant, every single day, putting something out, and for the last 3 weeks it's been unplugged, and it's healthy to find that balance and to do that. So I hope you guys were all right with that, and if you weren't, oh well, you'll get over it. Anyhow, so find that balance that works for you and your family. I just want to show some of the things that I've been able to capture while I've been away from here, and just investing that time where it matters most. So I hope you enjoy a little clip of some of the last few weeks of what I've been up to. So that's it for this week. I'm going to be at a truck show in the next few days, and I'll be doing a truck review from the truck show. So I hope to see you guys there and bring you guys more cool trucks to see. And thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking with me. We'll talk to you soon. Enjoy.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Please don't go away. Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break.
반짝이는 waves 향긋한 너를 향해 갈게 feeling 어제나 뿐일 때 태양의 너야 이 순간을 느껴 꿈이 아니니까.
Yeah, we here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No